Hi guys, how you guys doing? It's your girl Cynthia M on Hannah, back at you guys with another video. So I'm back on the YouTube streets and I've got a review for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing insurance policies. So I will be I will be reviewing for you guys Assupol funeral services and Standard Bank funeral services and One Life. So yeah guys, I'm making this video so that I could help you guys make better choices when you're choosing your insurance companies, because these companies are scammy frauds. Die frauds that in the suit, honestly. So yeah guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The channel is growing. Thank you. We just reached 500 subscribers. Anyway, so yeah man, let me roll the intro and then we get into the video. Guys, this video is basically on my what I went through these insurance companies when my dad passed away. So yeah, it's based on me, and I'll also read some reviews from Hello Peter, you know, to just sum it up and also get other people's experiences. So first of all, we're gonna start with Assupol. So Assupol, when my dad passed away, I contacted them like I think 2 days after my dad passed away, and it was kind of hard getting a hold of them on their website, from the numbers that they have on their website, the numbers that they have on the internet. It was kind of hard. Hey, these people with these broke cars, they'll be making noise in my video. Okay, sorry. So yeah, it was kind of hard getting a hold of them, but I then found the forms where my dad filled in and stuff like that, and I got a hold of the consultant that helped my dad, and it was actually like his personal number, but he talked to me. He was very nice. He told me all the documents I'm gonna need, and we got all the documents and we went to Assupol, and the service was amazing guys. They were so nice. They did everything for us. They did the application zonke bonke, and within 7 days the money was out. So I will say for Assupol, I love them. I would personally recommend them because they were so good to me and my family. They didn't give us problems. The money was out when they said the money is gonna be out. They did say because of COVID the money might be like 7 to 9 days. The money for the groceries, the 2.5, came I think 2 days after the application. Like they did the best. Assupol, if anyone from Assupol watches this, I will give them an out of 10. I'll give them an out of 10. I'll minus 1 point because I couldn't get a hold of them through their website. So they were very good, very professional. And then my dad passed away in July, and then in September my uncle passed away, and my uncle was under my dad's policy, all right? And they paid out his amounts. So they paid out also an amount for my uncle, even though my dad had passed away and he was no longer paying. So they paid out the amounts guys. Literally we submitted the documents just we did with my dad, and they paid out. No stress. When they say 7 to 9 days in Maliangena. So to me, Assupol, according to me, is the policy you should have. Just saying. So I would recommend Assupol. This is an honest review. I recommend Assupol. But now I'm going to read some reviews from Hello Peter, and then we will, you know, get into them and talk about them, and then yeah, let's read the reviews on Hello Peter. Hey guys, so review number 1 is from Yvonne M. This was done on in August 2021. And it says, I can't believe how incompetent this company is. I requested my banking details to be changed. I was told that the banking details on the new accounts will be changed during the month of April. I have to pay for much. I paid and sent a proof of payment. Then I got feedback advising that the money is is being collected for the next thing, then go to my account to debit my account, which causes my debit orders to bounce, as I was not expecting them to debit their poor service. So I guess she changed her account now, and then instead she like paid directly and then send them the proof of payment, but they still debited her accounts, right? They don't even know how to treat the customers. I demand my money back and the charges for the debit order, which was not supposed to go through. You guys sit there and you lie to us as customers, telling us you're doing your jobs while you're not doing anything. Instead, you're misleading customers with your lies. You know what? These insurance companies, they like embarrassing me. When I give them good review, they will just do wala. What's this now? They will just do wala. Like, Assupol, please do better. Just do better. Let's read another one. So, I don't want the long ones. Okay, so this one is from Tabiso M. This was done in August of 2016, and it says, on the 23rd of March 2022, I've sent an email to the customer service department regarding the premium which has stopped debiting from my account, and I was informed that the cover had lapsed and I need to open a new policy. The cover has lapsed. So what happens to the money you were paying before, when they're the ones that stopped debiting? On Thursday, I received a call from the consultant and to assist me opening a new policy, which I had no problem to open. Now, asked the sales consultant to check if the other people I've covered, their policies are active. He confirmed that the lapsed policies and the other 2 people I've covered, their policies are active on the system. I asked if he can transfer my call to customer service department to confirm if the policies are active. So the policies were not active. You must open another one. Now the policy is active again. I was assisted by Jonathan, who informed me that 2 of the other people I covered, their policies are not active. The policy is not active again. I was informed that he will investigate and provide feedback. Please note, this is not a complaint but a concern. I do not mind opening a new policy which has lapsed. 2 debit orders are debiting from my account, yet on the system they are not active. Let me read the last one. Okay, this is from Vivian M, and it says, good day. On the 17th March 2020, I went to Assupol branch in Pretoria. I was held by Jonathan, and I would like to recommend his excellent service. I was also greeted by friendly staff. Well done, keep it up. Assupol branch, Pretoria. Listen, I went to the branch in Newtown. They were also really, really, really nice. So what do I say? Am I still recommending Assupol? I still am. I still am. Yeah, I will say with your insurance stuff, guys, please keep an eye on them. Please be consistent, because these people are crooks. Please be consistent with them. Keep on checking if it's active, if it's what, and know your benefits. Tell your family members also about your benefits and everything. But on Assupol, I still like them. So yeah, let's move on to the next company. I will be talking about Standard Bank Insurance. Okay guys, now we're gonna talk about Standard Bank Insurance. So this one is a very tricky story. This is what happened. So my dad passed away, right? 7 July or something like that, and I knew that he had a Standard Bank policy, so we went to Standard Bank. We submitted all the documents. Mamela. We got there. My mom gave them the ID. There was a policy in the system, everything was fine. This lady's like, okay, fine, they're processing it and the money will come out. So now we sit, there's no money. We go back. They say, I call them, they're like, okay, they're still processing it. Sana. Dololo Iman. And I'm like, okay, what's going on up? Aibo sana. We buried my father. No money, baby. After ixeshanyana, Batsy, no, honey, he did not have a policy with us. And my question is, if he did not have a policy with them, their first day we went there, couldn't they see that there was no policy in their system? Could they not see that there was no policy in the system? But again, that's Standard Bank. That's Standard Bank for you. And let me tell you something, guys. Till today, we've not gotten any money. My mom, there was so much drama. My mom had to go there, fights. And I remember there was a day when we were there, and this guy was literally, they put him on the phone, at the branch, they put him on the phone to talk to the people of the insurance. And he was literally saying that, like, my mom's body is in the morgue. I really, really, really need this money to bury her. And I think he was like, he had been there 3 days consecutively, no money, guys. That's when I was like, I'm so grateful that my dad had other policies as well. Anyway, guys, me also going into Standard Bank insurance, guys, our house is also under Standard Bank, guys. There was a time where the geyser broke, or the geyser what their service nonsense, non-quality, rubbish service they give us, nonsense. They said, so I reported to them. I'm like, listen, igiza imoshekile kwanto, but lalela sisi will send people. They sent the people. The people came. The people came. They said the geyser is working. Literally, the geyser worked one day. The geyser worked one day and then it didn't work. And then we had to call them again. But lalela, you only covered for this certain amount. So now I have to put money on top. Like, it's like maybe a deductible. That's no problem. They came by Lungisi geyser. Babe, 2 days the geyser was not working again. So me and Standard Bank, we're not friends. Standard Bank insurance, I would give them a 1 out of 10. Why am I even giving them the 1? I'll give them the 1 because they actually then called people to come to the house when I needed stuff, the geyser to be fixed, even though they did nonsense. So now we're gonna get into the reviews. The reviews of the Standard Bank insurance. Lalela. I'm expecting the worst. Let me read these babes. This is from Peter, and he says, no need insurance. He's like, need insurance, don't use Standard Bank. I highly agree. I highly indefinitely agree. I've lodged this claim 3 times now, and not a single time has anyone called or addressed the claim. I'm so sick of Standard Bank's poor delivery service. Standard Bank insurance is the worst of the worst. It's really not a service one can offer to family and friends. I would also advise against Standard Bank services. I'm sorry. I am highly behind this brother. If we could do a campaign, a march, and say, do not take Standard Bank insurance, do not take Standard Bank. Oh, there's work. But I would be there. Full force. I will stand in the sun. This my beautiful self with this my makeup. I will stand in the sun and take it. I will take it. Let's read another one. Oh my god. This is from Susan van der Merwe. Lela. Teacher nama boon, I complain. Worst insurance ever. Don't answer their phones, don't answer their emails. Claims take forever to be sorted. Have 2 claims, broken oven and a burst water pipe, and nothing is happening. Even their contractors say they are really struggling to get a hold of anyone. Can't wait to get rid of them. Sana, if you buy a house, lalela, don't under Standard Bank. Do not get the insurance. Go get another insurance. And decide taking a funeral cover. Don't try it. Do not try it. Let's read another one. One last one, one last one from Standard Bank. And this is from Yazid, says Standard Bank Insurance cancelled my policy without notifying or consent. Since 2007, I had a policy including in-home loan this morning at 8 and contract SNL to log a leaking pipe complaint. I was told my policies are cancelled. Imagine you're thinking you're busy here, when the house burned down they will pay or what. Gandhi, they have cancelled your policy. It does not exist. While they are debiting your accounts. Scammers. You know what, I'm done with Standard Bank. I'm done. Let's just move on to One Life. Video because I'm getting worked up. Our last company for today is One Life. It's also an insurance company. This one, my dad did have a policy with them. He did have a life policy with them. So my dad passed away. I did contact them, like also with the other companies, and I sent them to the details, and they said, okay, we will do the things, and then we will get back to you. I sent everything. Mind you, my dad had a life policy with them for 2 million rand. Lalela get babe. Okay, they did their things. Then they came back and they're like, my dad only had an accidental life policy. So if he died due to natural causes, listen, my dad passed on because of COVID. Nah, because he passed on due to natural causes, they will not pay out. And my dad used to pay them 1.6 every month, and they did not do refunds, so the money is all down the drain. Guys, Lalelan, do me a favor. Do your research on these companies. I even saw a video of people complaining about Discovery. And these people are paying a lot a month and they're getting screwed over. Guys, I'm telling you, they have not paid us. And at this point, Sana, I don't want to lie. We don't have energy to be fighting over the money. We don't even have the money to take them to court. So all I can say is, yeah. I will say though, they do communicate, they do answer their phones. They're not like these other insurance policies, they don't answer their phones. Because these insurance companies, they will not answer their phone, no. So I'll give them for answering the phone, I'll give them for maybe prompt response. Because even the lady that was like, she will investigate it, she was very prompt with the investigation. So at least I'll give them 3 out of 10. I'm being nice. No, 2 out of 10, because in fact I don't get the money. So and another thing you should know, guys, that my dad took this policy over the phone. Over the phone. So what I'm gonna learn from this, guys, what I wanted you guys to learn is that, please guys, be vigilant. Tell your parents, tell your uncles, tell your people to be very vigilant. These insurance companies are scams. Even the biggest insurance companies are scammers. They are in here to make money. Okay, that's why I want you guys to share this video. We're gonna read their reviews also from One Life, and then we will wrap up the video. So here we've got Shannon. Let's see what Shannon's gonna say about One Life. So Shannon's could say, friendly service, helpful and informative, and also appreciated the tips on how to lower my premiums and save money. Thank you, Ed Bafana. So I guess she was calling. I don't think she has gotten a policy with them. They have not shown her walala. Okay, let's look at King Benton Ari. My father passed away last year on the 10th of June 2021. He had a life policy with One Life. Oh, Sugamato. trouble. To this very day, the policy has not paid. We are in the same boats. We are rocking. We are roading. We are riding. What do you call that thing when you row? Yes, we are rowing. Is it rowing the boats? Let me not embarrass myself. My brother tried to make follow-ups by contacting their call center. They keep telling me that the claim is still sitting with the assessors. With me though, guys, assessors were very fast. The assessors were like, you know what, we have a plan. We'll just we're not getting any money. They were very fast. Absolute garbage. Can someone attend this query? Because clearly the call center people from One Life are useless. Useless people. Let me tell you something. If you're a mother, you're a what? Don't get One Life, because they will leave your kids with nothing, because they don't care, and they will tell you proudly that we do not do refund of the premiums. They will tell you we bust. Okay, let me read one last one. Let me see, which one can I find? Let me see. This one is from William K saying, I'm busy getting debit order mandates to approve from One Life, and I never took a policy with One Life. Can someone from this company call and explain to me why they want to run a debit order on my account, please? I've never gave them my bank details. Let me tell you something about these insurance companies before I go. Like, we also had that thing with Assupol in my first video about these insurance companies. If you would like to watch that video, I'll leave a little cut here and watch the video. It was like my part 1 on insurance companies. So let me tell you something. Sometimes the consultants are very sneaky. They will get your details somehow, and they will put it there, and they will debit your money. Because these consultants, they get paid by commission. They will debit your money. You will not see for a long time. Even if now you see, you say policy, you have no proof, you don't sign anyway, the money is gone. Even if you want to fight for the money, it will take a long time. You understand? So please be vigilant of your accounts, because it's not every bank that will send you notification that people want to debit. You understand? So anyway, guys, yeah, this is the videos. These are the insurance companies. Guys, insurance companies can be good and bad, and I really hope when you're looking for an insurance company, or for your mom or your sister, you let them watch this video. And I really hope you get a company that will actually help you when you are in need. Okay, yeah, please share this video as much as you can share it to people, to help other people also out there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. Let's keep growing. I hope this review will help someone out there, because I think if I had such a review to show my dad, it would have helped my dad out a lot. Please also, guys, get used to reading reviews on Hello Peter. They can help you out a lot, Sana. I do have a part 1 where I was talking about Liberty and Assupol. I will link it somewhere here so you can go watch it if you also want to find out about the service of those 2 insurance companies. And yeah, guys, next week I'll come with a nice fun video. On the way, we'll be having fun. Yeah, I'm introducing a new segment on my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are gonna love it. And yeah, I will come with a video on how to just try and not get scammed by these insurance companies, how to protect yourself. Yeah, on the way. So yeah, guys, I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video as much as you can. For me, Cynthia M on Hana. I can't sing, save my life. It's a bye.